In this guide, I'll show you how to connect your PlayStation 5 with a Hisense VIDAA Smart TV and walk you through the setup process. So let's dive right in. First, let's connect the power cable to our PlayStation 5 and plug it into power. Then we'll grab an HDMI cable, plug one end into our console and the other end into our TV's HDMI port. Now we are ready to begin the setup. So let's turn on our TV and then our PlayStation 5 console. Then we will switch to inputs by going to input on our TV and select our PlayStation 5. And as you can see, our TV has already detected our console. After the console has turned on, you'll need to connect your PS5 DualSense controller using a USB cable. And after that, press the PS button to pair it with your console. Then you can disconnect the cable from your controller and resume the setup process. We will start by selecting the language and connecting to a Wi-Fi network. Then adjust the display area if needed. Also, you can insert a game disc if you have one, so that it can install while you are setting up your console. We will continue without the game disc. Now select a power option and press OK. Accept the license agreement and log in with your PlayStation account. If you don't have an account, you can create it right from here. We will choose to sign in manually. Now choose if you want to set up a PS5 login passcode. We will go ahead and create one. Now we can press OK, and if you have an older console, you can transfer its data from here, but in our case, we will select do this later. Congratulations, just like that you have set up your PS5 console on your Hisense Smart TV. Now you're ready to start gaming, but before that you can turn on gaming mode by grabbing your Hisense TV remote, opening the menu, select game mode and turn it on. Now you're ready to roll. Make sure to leave your feedback and have fun.